Shubor nakaslem jong Kongsan Hima.
Ka Meghalaya Chess Association haringkat ka Aurobindo Institute of Indian Culture Shillong kala Rakhe kasngi ka Kyrpang jogi kentai ya ka belatip kum ka Women's Day ha ka pratre uleber ha ka ni ka nongpa bar ka phang padeng jong ka program kalong halor ka bor ka Kyrpang jonggi kentai ha ka ni ka sngi layadan lang u General Secretary ka Meghalaya Chess Association uba kraw ko par pajan kumjo u Publicity Secretary uba Rijiet Katrai UTH B Singh ringkat ka Principal Mother School jong ka Sri Aurobindo Institute of Indian Culture ka Farida Khan bat Jingïalehkai chess ka Rakhe ka ni ka singi ka Kyrpang ka de namar bagi kentai kilong ki ba kham Kongsan ha barok kilyang la ka long ha yeng asam ha ke emlang sa lang bat ki we ha ba bhai ka ni ka Jingïalehkai chess ka Syiem ka long ka ba kham Kongsan namar khlam maka Syiem umla ban le a tu komta la penya Syiem ya ka Syiem kom ka kentai ha ka ni ka singi la penong ru ka Jingïalehkai chess ha pedang ki arngut ki Jingïalehkai chess ka jilla
in the state, in India, globally, of what womanhood is and what women in the daily life has been doing with the great dedication of the daily duties. I would also like to focus on the mother, the sister, where they do not have the post and position, but they're carrying out their day-to-day affair with a lot of passion, love, humility. Today, as the nation or internationally or globally, womanhood is being celebrated. Meghalaya Chess Association, in collaboration with Sri Aurobindo Institute of Indian Culture, is focusing on not only just the right, but also on women moves.
All the women present here. So we are glad that the Aurobindo Institute of Indian Culture invite us for this function because chess is very much associated with women. As we all know that in chess, the most powerful piece on the board is the queen. Same thing in our life, like day-to-day life as it's written. Yes, women are very important in our day-to-day life. Means like the queen, it's just like a mother. The pawns are like the children, so it depends on the queen. If the queen knows how to move, knows the good moves, the respect, a virtuous woman, means we as the chess players, we know the strength of a player by the way the queen moves.
You know, when we talk about women plays a very important role in day-to-day life. And we know that in every man's life, woman plays a very important role. And in a man's success, we always say that there's the involvement of women. So for women also in success, they are, woman herself is the behind of every success of woman. So they work so much and they are the future inspiration for every person, so to say, and they are the mirror of the children and they are the wheel of the family.